Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: Who inaugurated Adi Mahotsav 2025 in New Delhi? Answer B. Draupadi Murmu. Question: Which state launched the Jal Shandong Samvardhan Abhiyan for water conservation in 2025? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Question: What is Ruellia elegans, recently mentioned in news? Answer A. Invasive plant species. Question: Which city hosted the 42nd National Senior Rowing Championship in 2025? Answer A. Bhopal. Question: Which organization manages the E-Rakt Kosh platform for blood bank management? Answer C. National Health Mission. Question: What is the theme of the Sanskriti Utsava organized by Uttar Pradesh in 2025? Answer C. Hamari Sanskriti Hamari Pehchan. Question: Which Indian bank fully migrated to the ISO 2002 Swift messaging standard in 2025? Answer D. None of the above. Question: Which country's parliament considered a bill to end ties with the IAEA in 2025? Answer A. Iran. Question: Who is the current president of the Sahitya Akademi under whom the intimidatory Bal Sahitya Puraskar was announced? Answer A. Madhav Kaushik. Question: Which state banned stubble burning due to rising cases in 2025? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Question: How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Answer C. 6. Question: Who was appointed as India's ambassador to Israel in 2025? Answer A. Jitendra Pal Singh. Question: Where was the first joint working group, JWG, meeting on agriculture between India and Ukraine held in 2025? Answer C. Virtually. Question: Which organization sanctioned a study on the impact evaluation of geographical indication, GI, products? Answer A. NABARD. Question: What is the name of the portal launched by the CBI for real-time information sharing with law enforcement agencies? Answer A. Bharatpol. Question: Which ministry is integrating the rare donor registry with E-Rakt Kosh? Answer A. Ministry of Health. Question: Which country is associated with the Meerkat radio telescope? Answer C. South Africa. Question: What is the focus of the One Day as a Scientist initiative by the Ministry of Ayush? Answer B. Engaging students in scientific research. Question: Which state recorded the highest number of Gangetic dolphins in 2025? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh. Question: What is the name of the festival held at Kamakhya Temple in June 2025? Answer: A. Ambubachi Mela. Question: Which organization is responsible for the Green Hydrogen Certification Scheme of India? Answer: B. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Question: Which Indian Grandmaster won the Superbet Chess Classic 2025? Answer: B. R. Pragnanandha. Question: What is the name of the military exercise between India and Mongolia scheduled for June 2025? Answer: B. Nomadic Elephant. Question: Which ministry launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan in 2019? Answer: B. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Question: What is the primary focus of the National Policy for Rare Diseases, NPRD, launched in 2021? Answer: B. Rare Genetic Disorders. Question: Which country's court ruled against broad tariffs under the EPA in 2025? Answer: A. USA. Question: Where is the Shendarni Wildlife Sanctuary located? Answer: A. Kerala. Question: What is the name of the stealth destroyer commissioned by the Indian Navy in January 2025? Answer: B. INS Surat. Question: Which ministry launched the Bhashini AI-powered language translation platform? Answer: A. Ministry of Electronics and IT. Question: What is the name of the campaign launched by Maharashtra for environmental conservation in 2025? Answer: A. Maji Vasundhara. Question: Which country signed agreements with India for the supply of green hydrogen derivatives in 2025? Answer: A. Japan and Singapore. Question: What is the name of the invasive plant species introduced to the Andaman Islands? Answer: A. Ruellia elegans. Question: Which ministry is responsible for the Gender Budgeting Knowledge Hub portal launched in 2025? Answer: B. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Question: What is the name of the tiger reserve established in Madhya Pradesh in 2025? Answer: A. Ratapani Tiger Reserve. Question: Who conferred the National Florence Nightingale Awards 2025? Answer: B. Draupadi Murmu. Question: Which country's former foreign minister, Annalena Baerbock, was elected president of the 80th UNGA session? Answer: B. Germany. Question: What is the name of the bill proposed by Iran to suspend cooperation with the IAEA? Answer: D. None of the above. Question: Which organization is integrating the Rare Donor Registry with eRakt Kosh? Answer: D. Ministry of Health. Question: What is the focus of the Faral Sakhi initiative launched in 2025? Answer A. Women entrepreneurship. Question. Which state's upper lake hosted the 42nd National Senior Rowing Championship? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Question. What is the name of the platform for blood bank management in India? Answer A. E-Rakta Kosh. Question. Which ministry launched the Green Hydrogen Certification Scheme of India, GHCI? Answer B. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Question. Which Indian city hosted the Adi Mahotsav 2025? Answer B. New Delhi. Question. What is the name of the military exercise scheduled between India and Mongolia in June 2025? Answer B. Nomadic Elephant. Question. Which organization developed the Bharatpol portal for law enforcement agencies? Answer A. CBI. Question. What is the theme of the Uttar Pradesh Parv during Sanskriti Utsava 2025? Answer B. Hamari Sanskriti Hamari Pehchan. Question. Which Indian state launched the Majhi Vasundhara Campaign 6.0 in 2025? Answer B. Maharashtra. Question. What is the name of the new postal service for educational material delivery? Answer C. Bharat Book Post. Question. Which country discovered a Neolithic wooden circle in 2025? Answer A. Denmark. Question. What is the theme of World Wildlife Day 2025? Answer A. Wildlife Conservation Finance. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.